Let's begin by looking at our affirmation prompt cards. Creativity comes up a lot. So what is creativity? Creativity is when we use our imagination, create new ideas, and think about different ways of doing things. That could be to solve problems, find things out, design, invent, or produce amazing pieces of artwork. We can be creative in so many different ways. For our warm-up, I would like you to draw a picture and write or label your work about a time when you were creative. It might have been when you solved a mathematical problem, or the way you dress differently today, or a fantastic piece of artwork. Grab a pencil and paper, pause the video, and let's begin. Now I'd like you to listen to the voice inside you and explore your dreams, things that you wish to become as you grow. This can be written as notes and pictures, or written as a short paragraph. You should take about 20 minutes to complete the task, but if you finish before or after 20 minutes, that's fine too. So when you're ready, let's get creative.